For nearly 45 years, Imperial Industries has been building more than just tanks and trucks. We've built a reputation for quality, speed, and service that lasts. We've stayed true to who we are, a vertically integrated manufacturer that delivers engineered solutions with unmatched precision, backed by real people who stand by every weld, every delivery, every call. And now, we're proud to introduce a new look, one that reflects the strength of our legacy and looks forward to the horizon with clarity. Our new identity is more than a logo. It's a signal that we're evolving, sharpening our message, and aligning every division. From vacuum trucks to bulk storage silos under one powerful brand. Real people, real support, engineered for integration. Durability by design, built on experience, focused on what's next. This is the new Imperial Industries. Precision engineering, proven quality.